So today I'll talk about the big data problem in CERN. So CERN is short for the Large Hadron Super Collider, and so it is maybe the largest experiment in the human's history, and its goal is to solve many fundamental problems, including the nature of matter and the antimatter, and also some minor problems, not minor problems, some very big problems such as how the universe works and what it is made of. And it's not. But there are many problems with this CERN. It's not just a physics problem, but also the big data problem. So for each collision, it generates a large amount of the data, and if we could have the best experiment that can generate good data, and we have the best scientists that can deal with the data, but we don't have a good data center to actually collect or store the data, then it seems to be weird. So that's probably the reason that actually CERN is building out a new data center, and so this new data center they will rewriting its tools and to keep up with the big data demands of the research, and this new they'll use a new tool and to crunch and store the data, and the size of the data is petabytes, and created by the experiment. And so where this data come from? So we know that CERN collects actually nearly unbelievable amount of data. So it has 100 megapixel cameras, and this cameras takes 40 million pictures per second per proton collision. So it create a one petabytes of data per second, and this data should get analyzed as soon as possible. So each year the so the CRN will get 35 petabytes per, and it will even be doubled, and also we need to keep that data for many years, probably 20 years. So it will need 45,000 tape drives for just to store this data. So if this is not big data, I mean this may be the biggest big data in the world. So it's really a big challenging for the CRN, and they need to find a balance between the cost and also the efficiency, and so this is really a big challenge.